again, and good evening. I've got about 10 minutes spare, so I was thinking today, I don't need that. I was thinking today about making myself a little fire kit, a Bushcraft traditional fire kit. Piece of flint and a steel striker. I'm not going to be carrying that around with me, but well, great carbon content, the old files, so I'm simply going to cut that down to a manageable size. My good friend Clint and Kay made me some, let me have a look. I've got some char cloth in there and some fungus to take a tinder, to take a spark. But yeah, I like to make things, and I thought, you know the pouches that that you would put the steel striker into and the flint, and I want to make one. And I was looking at getting a bit of chamois, but then again I wondered whether or not I could make one out of this, and I haven't done this before. It's all in my head. So actually, oh sorry, it's a bit dirty, my jackclaw. So I'm just gonna break into this sponge if I can, and see if what's in my head is going to work out alright. I should have done that the first time, shouldn't I, really? Just slice straight down it. Yeah. So, I'm going to take that out of there. And I've got myself a little pouch. And then I think I'll cut some holes. Let's go down there. And then let's stick a couple there. And a couple there. And why not a couple there. One at the end. You see what I'm doing? I think I'm going to lace a bit of leather twine through it. I don't need that much. And then I think I'm just going to thread it through. I think it's going to work out just grand. Saves a bit of stitching. Saves a bit of money. And then let's bring that through with this one. What do we think? Think it works? I do. Little pouchette. I can stick my flint in there. I stick my steel in there. I think I can put that in a smaller bag maybe. And there we go. Job job done. Bushcraft on a budget, I think. There we go. Thanks for watching. God bless you. All the best. Bye bye.